Dear HSC students, take my cordial love and good wishes. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Sharif Abdul Aziz, Assistant Professor of English, Government Shahid Abdul Salam Degree College, Kalyan Oil. Thanks a lot to our government. Her Excellency has arranged online class for your betterment. With this end in view, I would like to share this online class so that you can carry on your studies. Today I would like to discuss on modifier. Dear students, modifier is used the word placed before a noun or noun equivalent. It is of two kinds, pre-modifier and post-modifier. The words which are used as modifiers, namely adjective, participle, adverb, prepositional phrase, clause, article, possessive case, determinants. These are the 8 words which you should know. Then it will be easier on your part to understand how you can solve modifier. Modifier was not on your SSC syllabus. It is a new item on the SSC syllabus. There is no difficulty. If you are be careful, then you can easily understand and solve this problem. This problem which you will have to do is given in the bracket. It is clearly given what you will have to do, clearly written in the bracket. Then if you look at the question, you can easily solve the problem. Say for example, a dash pre-modify the noun boy is liked by all. Look at this sentence. Pre-modifier, when you are asked to use pre-modifier, it will be placed before the noun boy. It will modify the word boy. So adjective or participle, present participle or past participle can be used here. So a good boy is liked by all. A good boy is liked by here. Good is the pre-modifier. Pre-modify the noun boy. Then come to the second example. Everybody laughs and dash in the bracket pre-modify the noun man. So before man an adjective will be used. An honest man. Honest man is the modifier. Then look at the example 3. The man dash participle post modify the noun. Post modifiers will be used before the bracket. There will be noun. After the noun there will be adjective, participle, prepositional phrase or clause. So the man dash is a beggar. The man is standing at the door. The man is standing at the door. Post modify the noun, the man. Then number 4. The horse runs dash. Post modify the verb. Generally, adverb has 3 functions. Adverb modifies adjective, adverb or another adverb. So here we see run is the verb, so it will be modified by an adverb. What will be the word? Quickly or fast. The word will be fast or quickly. Then number 5. The horse runs dash fast quickly. Here in the bracket post modify the adverb. Adverb is the word quickly. You know very well, adverb has 3 functions. So adverb will be modified by another adverb. That will be very. At times in the bracket there will be intensifier. Intensifier is nothing but the use of adverb. So there in this sentence, very will be used, and that very will modify the adverb quickly. Then number 6, this is dash in the bracket possessive case. We modify the noun motherland. So when you are asked to pre-modify, there will be noun after the bracket. Motherland is the noun. So here possessive case, our motherland. So our will be the possessive case. So these are the forms. You will try your best to remember these 8 items. Then it will be easier on your part to solve modifier. Ladies and gentlemen, in our next class, we would like to start on the use of pronoun referencing. Pronoun reference. During this coronavirus period, try to be safe and stay at home. Take hot water with ginger, bay leaf, then cardamom. Thank you very much.